Hello everyone, my name is Sam Sloan. I thought I would share another top tip video. I've been playing around a little bit, as you well know if you've been watching a few of these videos I have been doing over these last few weeks. What I've been playing with this time though is creating a whiteboard with some animation in the background, just to mix it up a little bit, make it a little bit more interesting. So let me share PowerPoint. What I can also do actually is I'll bring my little camera in and just pop it, there we go, I'll pop it in that corner there, and then I can still see everyone. So what I'd like to do is get a video of some description on to the background of a whiteboard. So how is it that I actually do this? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go on to Pexels. I've already typed in teamwork, because let's just say, I don't know, we're creating a slide where I'm asking, what do we demonstrate in teamwork, for instance, or something along them lines. Just a very simple activity. And we want a swim lane whiteboard to go along with that activity. So I've typed it into pexels.com and I've selected videos. And let's just say I want this particular video here, or maybe this one, or maybe even this one. These are pretty cool videos. So let's just say I choose this one here on the right. I can then download this video, which I've actually already done. I tend to, when it opens up on the little bar, I just go to show in folder, copy paste it into the folder where I want to store it, for instance, or you'll probably have your own way of saving things, maybe even a little bit quicker than that. But I've already done that. So let's go back to the PowerPoint slide. So I'm now going to insert the video. It's on my PC. Let me find it. I know it's that one because I've already saved it previously, and I'm going to insert that video. I'm then going to go to transitions, and I'm going to just say on mouse click that video is then going to start to rotate. So if you've got additional slides, for instance, you can click on apply to all if that's something that you wanted to do. I'm then going to go into slideshow, loop continuously until escape, and then click OK. And then when I do click play on this video, it will just continue to play the whole way through. Okay, so how do I get a swim lane on it? Well, what I may even actually need to do is just maybe crop it just a little bit so I can put the question on the top. So I'm now going to insert a table. Let's just say I wanted 2 lines, and I'm going to pop on those lines like that, but you're probably thinking, well, hang on a minute, it's shaded now, we can't see what's behind it. Okay, so if we make sure the table's selected, go to shading and click on no fill. As you can see now, it's transparent. And then if we go to borders and click on all borders, we now have a black table. So a swim lane whiteboard, that's what we're creating. I can now drag that bar over, move that across to there, and then select and just drag it across the whiteboard. Of course, then I can insert, I don't know, a text box, for instance, for the top, and just to pop the question on the top, which would be much bigger font than that, but it'll just give you a little bit of an idea, because always put the question on the top of whatever it is that you are creating, just so your learners know what it is that they're answering. So if I now go into, let's just say, full screen, okay, I've gone into my Zoom meeting. I want to now share that with my learners, because obviously we are in session. I've got ZZ Sam logged in, and I'm now going to ask ZZ Sam if she wouldn't mind, I'll just pop that there, writing on that whiteboard for me. But obviously I want it to move forwards as well. There we go. So that click, it just took my video off. There we go. I click on annotate. ZZ Sam can now select the little text tool. She can type her name first of all, and then she can type her answer to the question. And then of course, exactly the same as before. It's no different if I bring in my little annotation toolbar. I can select her answers. Let's just say other people have maybe typed over each other, which sometimes they do. I can still select and move in exactly the same way, but it just makes the whiteboard a little bit more fun, I think. You would agree. I'll just let me stop sharing that. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if you have a go at it. Let me know what it is that you find, and let me know how it goes down with your participants as well. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.